What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful E.MAS 7 Premium in lithium white. As you can see, the color of this car is absolutely amazing. Love the white cars because they look bigger, and on top of that, if there's any design of the car, you have this contra finish that is on it. So let us first start off with the front of the lights. And check out how gorgeous it looks, man, dude, from the front. Now, of course, you have your DRLs at the top right here. Love how edgy they are and pointy on this side. You have your main headlights hiding right underneath. Beautiful chrome finish with some dark finishes on the inside as well. It does look very nice, very presentable. The brighter the car, the bigger the car looks. Now, for the bottom right here, you have your sort of like black finish right here to give you some sort of cosmetic design, like air can flow through, but actually it's just a design. But nevertheless, it does help a lot in making it look really good. Love the black lines that pop up like this at the side right here. Makes it look very, very nice. I'm not sure if there's actually lights in the future that will pop up right here, but it does look very, very cool indeed, man. Can you see that? Amazing. So you have some black finishes right down here in this matte black finish for air to flow through on this side. You got your sensor located right there on that side. Number plate goes right here. Love the white finish that's happening right down here, the lithium white. Also, your 360 camera is located right below the badging that is right above here, and also right here. Tow hook goes right there. Very, very cool and nice for that particular setup. So for the front hood, you have this sort of like shaped up finish on this side. I'm not sure if the light can actually help show you that there's a deep shape on this side together with on that side as well. So very nice indeed. Now for the side wheels, you have your matte finish of a wheel arch that goes across the whole side, which does look really, really sporty and aggressive. Decent at the same time. You get some black finishes on this side, silver lining on the outside, two-tone finish of a wheel, solid disc brakes on that side. Love the Goodyear tires that are on it. Tire size for this would be 235 50 R19, so 19-inch wheels for this gorgeous car. Move down to the side right here, you got your mirrors which are also in white that follows the body color. You get some gloss black finishing on this side right here. Turn indicators should be on this side. You got your chrome lining that goes across the whole side of the car, pops right down, connects back right to the front. Beautiful. Take a look at the mirror once more. Gorgeous. You get your handle right here if you pull to open up the door, but we'll do that in a while more. Before that, right at the side here, you have the black finish in this matte black finish. So yeah, very nice indeed for the side skirting. Open up the doors. Take a look how clean and sleek the doors actually look like. Now you have your handle right here to open up the doors, handle to hold to pull to close the door. You got some ambient lighting on this side, window adjustments up and down. Very nice indeed. Very cool. You get your silver sort of like finish on this side right here. Speakers right here as well. Fly Me is the brand for this. Compartment storage down here. You got a very dark kind of blue interior trim, hard plastic on this side, leather finishing on all over the side of the doors. Love it. Now take a look at the interior seats. You get your badging right here on this side. You got some perforated seats with some lines happening all over the place. Seat adjustments will be electronic. Very, very nice indeed. Now let's hop right in. Fly Me Sound is the speaker name. First of all, I have to say, dude, it feels very, very luxurious, man, in a car like this. Looks really good. So compartment storage down here. Let's press this and glove compartment opens up. You got your ambient lighting hiding on the inside right here. Very nice indeed. You got your air vent adjustments on this side. Very cool. You also have your silver lining on this side as well. So very nice indeed. You have your amazing dashboard done in this other kind of leather, hard plastic on this side. Speaker goes right there. Head-up display on that side. You have an amazing screen that's super huge, man, dude, and damn sharp, man. Love it. Okay. Now we will talk about this when the time comes, but nevertheless, I believe this is your volume, of course, which is super obvious. You got your other adjustments such as your air circulation, your front fogging to anti-fog, your auto for the air, on and off for your air vents. Two cup holders on this side right here. You got your air vent adjustments on this side right here as well. So very cool. Wireless charging happening down here, and on the inside you get your other stuff that is also happening for this car as well. So very, very cool compartment storage that we have on this side right here. So let's get right to the driver's side in a while more, but before that, This is me sitting comfortably. Seatbelts are in black, I believe. Seats are in this very nice blue finish. I like it. Very dark blue finish, man. Got some compartment storage down here also. At the same time, I believe this should be some sort of cable connecting for some reason. Type C together with USB-C. Compartment storage down here. Very nice. Space is good. Let's open the rear doors up and take a look at the rear door. Beautiful finish. You got some grey finish. I mean, sort of like grey leather finish. You got this handle right here. Amazing blue finish right here. Window adjustments up and down. Got this silver lining on this side right here that pops all the way down. Hard plastic in this dark blue finish. Fly me sound. Compartment storage down there. Let's take a look at the back part right here. There's amazing storage space that's happening on this side. Love the leg room in this car. Is absolutely amazing, man, dude. Check that out. Beautiful view. Amazing glass roof right at the top also as well, so it's amazing. We can actually open up the shade, hopefully, with the front in a while more. But nevertheless, this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear passenger seat. Hang on, let me see. Okay, seat belts are in this grey finish. Love the dark blue, if that's what they call it. Compartment storage for your cup holders on this side right here. Very cool. Push this back. You got your air vent adjustments down here. You got your USB-C and Type C. You also have your compartment storage down there as well. So legroom is fantastic down here. Very nice. And yeah, we'll try and see if the shade can actually open up in a while more. But let's get right down and take a look what's actually hiding on the other side. Chop. And the rear wheels on this car is fantastic. Two-tone finish, silver, black, solid disc brakes at the rear, Proton badging right here in the center. You have your Goodyear tires on this side. You have your 235/50 R19. Very nice size for a wheel. Love the design at the same time. Now let's take a look at the rear of the car. You have your brake lights that are connected in this way. Love how if it lights up, it just goes and just goes again. So very cool. Love the Proton wording in this chrome finish. The E.MAS 7 right there on the right side. The E is in blue. Love the reflectors right here. Sensors. Your reverse camera is right there. Number plate goes right there. This matte finish of a rear bumper together with some grey finishes on this side also as well. Very nice indeed. So let's open up the rear boot to show you guys the amazing space that's in this. So of course, this, I believe you can actually have more storage down here, but you can actually remove the shade and store it one level higher. So this can be a bit higher in case you need to store something else bigger underneath that you need more space with. Very cool. So seats, you got this Proton e.mas wording right there. You can hook it on this side if you wish to actually lock it in a way so that the shade doesn't, the shade helps you block out whatever you want to block out. But the seats, let's fold them down to show you guys how much space there is. Take a look. Beautiful. Take a look from this side. Amazing as well. Let's fold this down. Amazing space that you guys get for a car like this. Beautiful. Check this out, man, dude. Amazing. Love the storage space for a car like this. Now let's take a look at the driver side and admire the doors. First thing, handles right here, the gloss black finishing on this side. You got your grey finish on this side or dark blue, and your window adjustments on this side. Child lock for the rear doors, electronic windows, so you can child lock as well. You got your window adjustment for the front, left and right side mirror adjustments. Very cool. Compartment storage down there. You got your Fly Me sound right here. Speaker is right here. Love the silver finish on this side. Very nice indeed. Interior looks good. Speakers are at the headrest. Very nice indeed. Love the linings that are happening on this side. Let's hop right in. And whew, very nice steering wheel at the same time. Very futuristic design. Let's bring it a little bit forward. And yeah, I'm not sure if I can sunroof shade. Yep, cool. So the shade is fully open. Very nice indeed. Love the, yeah, you can even open up the sunroof as well. Nice. Very cool. Very cool. So All of that you can do them through here. Amazing steering wheel we have right here. Settings for you to choose between different modes, I believe, from this particular screen. But yeah, you have other things that you can actually choose that you wish to actually see. So you can scroll up and scroll down and whatnot if you need to see whatever that's happening with this. Of course, the tire pressure needs to be filled up. But yeah, fly me sound, head-up display is right there. Love the shape of the steering wheel. Brake and accelerator right there. Compartment storage down here. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. Does look very good indeed. Love it. Take a look once more at the top. Amazing space. Top right here also looks very, very good indeed. Cool. So let's now hop right to the front and admire what we are actually looking at on this side. So this is a gorgeous finish of a car. Love how this car looks in terms of its shape and whatnot. But I love the white once again. The white looks beautiful, man. Now let's turn on the hazard lights to show you guys where does the signal actually pop up. So right here we have the signal at the side mirror. Gorgeous. Of course, the top part of the DRL that was on earlier automatically just changes into this, as you can see. Now, charging socket, of course, we have not forgotten this. There we go, AC/DC right there. So very nice indeed. Almost didn't notice it. So yeah, let's fold the boot right down and check out the rear with the signal lights actually on. So that's where they pop up right here on the outside. Once again, love the rear end of this car. Gorgeous. So that is it, guys, for today. If you'd like to find out more about Proton cars, do head down to Eon all the way here in Glenmarie, where you can locate this car, the Lithium White, which is in the E.MAS 7, and this is the premium version. So very cool indeed. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.